Welcome to La Paz, St. Augustine's newest gated community, where it's all about the peace. Located just off of St. John's Road, 4 minutes drive from the Eastern Main Road, and just down the hill from the historic Mount St. Benedict's Monastery, La Paz is both convenient and safe. Did you know La Paz is Spanish for the peace? We know that peace of mind is paramount when it comes to calling a place home. La Paz is gated and equipped with perimeter fencing, electronic gates, and security facilities to ensure that you and your family's safety is top priority. This development has provided all utilities. All you need to do is design your home and build the home of your dreams. And although this community feels like its own world, check out just how close it is to the convenience of the Eastern Main Road, with banks, supermarkets, and schools just moments away. Our lots are your canvas. They are actually larger than the minimum lot size and range from approximately 5,500 square feet to 7,500 square feet, ready for your vision to be manifested. Property is one of the most secure investments anyone can make, and this will yield returns for generations to come. Whether you are ready to build your home or just to secure a piece of paradise for just the right time, La Paz is ready to welcome you, and the possibilities are endless. And the best part, lots start just over $1 million. This is not a deal to pass up. La Paz in St. Augustine. Safety, potential, promise, and peace. Contact us today for more details and to schedule a viewing. Your journey to La Paz begins here.